So I already made this melody like a couple of days ago, and all I need to do is add some drums. I made like this kind of like surf gang type beat the other day. So we're going to recycle that as well. We're going to kind of like merge the two projects together to create like a mega project or something. So I froze this audio because I reversed it. Let's go unfreeze. I'll show you what it's like. You know, when you like reverse tracks in Grow Speed or Rhythmizer, it kind of like takes like this long before it starts playing back. So I just froze it and then kind of just like cut off this tail and like put it on the grid properly. But this is what it sounded like initially. There's this preset called Icy Keys. And then when we reversed it, so yeah, I obviously kept that one really simple. It really is just like an art of itself, just like stripping things back and just not overcomplicating. And I just laid it with this bell in Synology as well, just for a little bit of extra movement. And then just this mini B section, bell 8. I also added this, I think it's a hybrid reverb. It's a stock reverb preset in Ableton. So there's that. We're in F major. Tempo is 156. I'm just going to group this just so that I can high pass it where I put the drums in. I'm in this, like, I don't know if it's a bad habit, but whenever I dump on an EQ, I just put it at 222 hertz because it's quicker than just writing in 200 hertz. But yeah, little production hack there. I don't know if that extra 22 hertz matters, but my beats are sounding all right. So you come over into this like search bar or whatever it is. If we go down, we can go add folder. I found the folder that I want. This is the beat that I made the other day. It was a surf gang type beat. I didn't love the melody that I made. I felt like the drums were good, so we're gonna just reuse them. We'll open that up and we just go open. Now it's been added to like our places. If we go down to it, then in here we can just drop in the tracks. They'll have like preloaded the samples in them and everything. I'm going to skip this one called Bus because it's got like the melody in it and I didn't want that. But I'm going to highlight all these other ones because they're all drums. And I'm just going to drag them in. And there we go. It's got like the arrangement that I had it in that project. Obviously our melody is just this long, so we'll have to adjust that in a minute. Now the next thing that we can do is I'm just going to reactivate this MIDI and we're just going to adjust the 808 so that we're hitting the right notes. And I'm just going to drag these on to the right notes. What's that one? D. Sweet, now we're on. Let's see. Not bad for just like a beat that we barely even made. Well, I mean, we made it, but you know what I mean? I might have to just adjust some of these. I think it's this one that I'm not loving the position that it's in. And I reckon if I activate this, I'm going to put it over here. I might just swap out that rim for like a different one. Thanks for watching, guys. As usual, make sure to subscribe if you enjoy my content. I'm also starting out, so I've got like a Patreon or a Patreon. I don't know how to say it because I'm Australian. Yeah, so if you guys want to subscribe to that, basically from now I'm going to start uploading my Ableton project files. And yeah, so if you want access to those, look out for that.